Greetings. Here we go again. We're going to be making cheesy shells with ham and broccoli. Okay, first let's gather our ingredients. I got 1 box of pasta shells, 1 pack of frozen broccoli, 1 can of broccoli cheese soup, 2 cups of ham cubes, and 1 cup of milk. Finally, 1 pack of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and I have my water on boiling with salted water. And the magic of cooking, 1 cup of shredded cheese that I grated. And here's our ham steak. We just pull it on out. Oops, got water all over. And we're cutting up 1 cup of ham cubes. Okay, we're going to be cooking our pasta. Make sure you use shells. Okay, here we go. All right, pasta's almost finished. So let's add our broccoli's almost finished. Our pasta's almost finished, and we add our broccoli to it. Okay, second step. Whoa. Let's drain it. And don't forget to get your 1 cup of pasta water out, which I already did. Okay, let's add it all back in here. Now the fun part begins. All right, let's see. Now we're going to add our broccoli and cheese soup. I think I'll take this off the heat for a minute. Ooh, this looks yummy. Okay. Okay. And then we'll add our 1 cup of ham cubes, not hand, or 1 cup of cheese, or 1 cup of milk. Okay. And cook for an additional 10 minutes. Make sure everything's mixed in real good. And looking good, looking good. Okay, finished product. Stay tuned for segment 3 in Gail's kitchen. Bon appetit!